Hi, this is Chris from Saddle Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Ford Focus titanium hatch, stock reference number 7395. The shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, does have sun cracks, right hand fog light, radiator grille, upper and lower. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage, spoiler type. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right-hand seal skirt. Right rear door, one small dent. Right front door, one small dent. Right power door mirror. Does have the clear peeling. We have the right-hand guard and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Black leather interior, a center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, dual zone climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav control panel, Sony type, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, and sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke black leather steering wheel with cruise audio and control